everyone, I'm Karunya Rao, and in this edition of Ideas for Profit, we discuss the prospects of Bharti Airtel for the long haul. Now, COVID-19 has had limited impact on most telcos' operational performance and balance sheet thus far. Bharti Airtel's Q4 numbers were no exception as the company delivered a robust quarter amid the pandemic. Consolidated revenue for Q4 stood at 25,747 crores, an uptick of 12% YOY led by both new and existing customers and was broad-based across India and Africa markets. Price hikes, premiumization and cost savings continued to aid the margin performance, which increased by more than 600 basis points YOY to reach a multi-quarter high of 49%. In terms of its customer base, India business saw a net addition of 13.2 million subscribers YOY, with 7 million additions YOY. The subscriber base in Africa has risen to 118.2 million at the end of March 21. The traffic on network grew across both markets and the churn rate also reduced over last year. Domestic ARPU, adjusted for interconnection usage charge, was largely unchanged sequentially but increased 7% year on year. Significant jump in data usage translated to better ARPUs for the Africa market as well. Working from home, homeschooling, streaming entertainment services, etc. contributed to higher data usage as well in the quarter gone by. On the subscriber front, Airtel continues to gain strength from the weak competitive position of Vodafone Idea, whose customer base is shrinking now almost every quarter. Airtel continues to surprise positively with a third consecutive quarter of record subscriber additions. Riding on the increasing customer base, Bharti continues to outperform its peers. It has also increased its revenue market share by nearly 400 basis points over the past 12 months. Now, while the debt on the balance sheet is of some concern, Airtel's operating metrics and cash flows appear healthy, and there's also potential additional efficiencies opportunities that remain going forward. In Q4 of FY21, the company's 4G subscriber base in India jumped 32% year-on-year. With people spending more time online amid the pandemic, data usage per user has also expanded 12%. The combination of data usage as well as rising share of 4G subscribers would continue to drive growth in ARPUs over the medium to long term. Now, if you look at long-term trends, such increasing data consumption as well as price increases in line with inflation will continue to aid the company's top line. The rising penetration of smartphones, affordability of network, and even content for that matter are fueling data consumption across platforms. This secular trend of internet is almost certain to persist, and Airtel with its huge subscriber base appears in a prime position to profit from that. The pace of new subscriber additions could moderate due to the second wave of the pandemic. It's definitely a key risk to watch out for. Besides, cash crunch in rural pockets may well put a cap on near-term tariff hikes, and it could also result in consolidation of multiple SIMs held by a single customers. Meanwhile, if we look at the valuations of the stock, the SOTP valuation indicates nearly 10% upside from the current market price. We advise investors, therefore, to accumulate the stock with a long-term time horizon.